Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today, pretty exciting day. We've got the 2020 N case to open up, so smash a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you like seeing case unboxings. Now let's get straight into it. This 2020 N case is from Grana Toys. I will put a link in the description below. I have a subscription with them, and each time they get a case, they bill me and send it straight to me. So this is the 2020 N case. Oh, take a look what we've got. I can already see some goodies. All right, what's the first three we have here? We've got the 49 Merc, really cool car. The 84 Pontiac Firebird, Muscle Mania cars, very, very nice. And the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. The artwork on this is very nice. I like those decals as well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Oh, we've got the 91 GMC Cyclone in red. That recolor is pretty cool. The black was nice, but this red is a standout. Got the 96 Chevrolet Impala SS, very, very nice. And we have the Beatles Yellow Submarine. Which is the treasure hunt for this case? I can't remember. It's the Beatles Yellow Submarine. So that's pretty cool that we got the regular treasure hunt. Big thumbs up for that one. Keep going. We've got Rip Rod. We've got an 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S. And we've got Pedal to Metal. Here we've got the Aston Martin 177. Got a nice McLaren P1, that gunmetal grey. I will call that color very, very nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And we cannot forget Skyboat in the Hot Wheels Rescue Series. Not sure what this car will be rescuing. Maybe you know, let me know in the comments below. What does it say? Marina Rescue Response. Bit of a weird casting. We've got the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. That is pretty cool. Those wheels are nice and big too. Got a 65 Ford Galaxy. That was a cool car. And the Geo Terra. Oh. All right, next three. We've got the Donut Drifter. We've got the Batmobile. And we've got another Astana Hotto. I really like this car. It was really popular in the M case. Pretty happy to have it again in the N case. The 2020 Koneigsegg Jesko. This is going to be a popular car on the pegs in that Hot Wheels Exotic series. So if you see it, make sure you grab it because this one is not going to last long at all. We've also got the Honda S2000. This is a recolor in green. Take a look at the green chrome wheels, those disc wheels. Very, very nice there. We've also got Surf and Turf. Roller Toaster from the Fast Foodies. Not bad decal on the side of this one, nice and bright. We've got two of the 27 Lamborghini Urus. Very, very nice. All right, we've got a Dodge Charger Drift. Got the Jaguar XE-SV Project 8 in silver. This is a pretty cool car. I really, really like this one. And that silver color is very nice. And we've got Quick Bite. Not sure, you know, sometimes I really like this one and sometimes I don't. I'm not sure this time. And it's an Art Car Series car. Is that a double E on top? I'm not sure. Let me know what you think if that's supposed to be a double E in the comments below. We've got Roger Dodger, the recolor. It's a pretty cool track star car. The 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Very, very cool. And we have another 65 Ford Galaxy. All right, now let's check it out. The 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor in red. We've got a 73 Ford Falcon XB, which is cool because I opened the one from the M case. So to have another one on the card is very cool for us Australian Hot Wheels fans. And we've got the Geo Terra. Last row on the top here, we've got a Rip Rod, Chevrolet Impala SS, and the awesome 52 Hudson Hornet, very popular car. All right, let's check the bottom layer. Man, a super treasure hunt would be nice, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Pull out the first 3 cars. Got a Hudson Hornet there. Very nice. Custom Ford Maverick. And the 84 Pontiac Firebird. I really like that casting. Oh, man. So we've got a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Got another Batmobile. And a second 2020 Koneigsegg Jesko. That is really good. That means that there's 2 in this case, so should be 2 in every case. Hopefully there is enough to go around for everyone. Got the Skull Shaker there. Now another popular one from this case, the Mclaren Speed Tail. Wonder how fast this one is on the track. Actually, I was going to say, is that an error? But if you look at the card artwork, we've got disc wheels at the front and we've got those, what do we want to call it, 10 spokes at the back. Bit weird. Let me know what you think having 2 different wheel types on this Mclaren Speedtail. And we have the Turbone Charged. All right, Ford Transit Connect there, the paramedic van, pretty cool. Slide Kick and Donut Drifter. What's this? We've got a Rip Rod. Actually like that color a lot. Got a Moto Wing, and we have another Roger Dodger. Got that Surf and Turf. Oh man, take a look at this one. 67 Camaro in the Hot Wheels Flame series. Those chrome wheels, bronze chrome, very, very nice. The flames work on the side there. Man, this car is standout. Smash a thumbs up for that one. And we've also got the Sand Blaster. Have a Linster prototype. Oh, the 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible in blue, factory fresh series. Man, geez, this case has got a whole lot of cool cars. And a second 73 Ford Falcon XB. That is fantastic. That means there's going to be plenty for everyone. Oh God, is this going to be popular as well? The Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510 with the Momo graphics there from the Speed Graphics series. Man, this case just keeps on giving. We've also got a custom Ford Maverick and the Turbo Rooster. Got Speed Driver, another Turbo Rooster, and a green Duck and Roll. We have a second Mclaren Speedtail. We've got the McLaren Senna, so 2 at once there. This case has got 3 McLarens. Cool, that's pretty cool. And we have another Speed Driver. Getting to the bottom of the case, got that Turbone Charged Tesla Model 3, and we have Surfs Up. Final 3 to round out the case. Got High Beam from the Hot Wheels Tokyo Olympic Games series. This is a recolor, and I think I actually like that white. Very, very nice. Pretty cool. Got a Linster prototype and the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. Now let's take out my favorites and have a look. All right, now this case was full of some awesome casting, so we're going to have a shout out for the McLaren Speedtail, pretty cool. The McLaren Senna, and which was the other McLaren? The McLaren P1. So that's a trifecta of McLarens in the 2020 N case. Smash a thumbs up for them, pretty cool. Special mention for the 67 Camaro. I really like the color on this one. The Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510 for all you Datsun fanboys out there. Very cool addition. There was only 1 in my case. We'll have to also mention the 2020 Koneigsegg Jesko brand new casting. Pretty cool. And what else will get a special mention? Oh, well, this will get a special mention because it's the regular Super Treasure Hunt, the Beatles Yellow Submarine. Now make sure you let me know in the comments below which was your favorite of the case. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.